Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on AMB. As in my previous videos of AMB, I have been showing you different falling wedges that it has been breaking out on a 7 days time frame chart, and this was one of my old videos. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that it broke out. By the way, this was first one was the channel, then it broke out this wedge, and then it broke out another falling wedge pattern here in the month of August 2023, but could not break out this long-term resistance of 1.5 cents. We got rejection here, and recently the price line is again rejected here as well. And now recently after the breakdown, you can see it has broken down this quite long-term support of 1 cent and bounced very well from the next support of $0.0075 that was previously breaking as a support here. And even if we move more back, then you can see that it has been breaking as support here as well. And here for a few weeks, it has been working as support, and now for the past several weeks, it is again working as a nice support, and the price line is making several attempts to break out the next resistance of 1 cent. At the same time, it is also struggling to break out this very, very massive resistance and quite long-term resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. You can see that we got several rejections here, and now recently the price line is again struggling to break out this Ichimoku bearish cloud resistance. And in today's video, we will also analyze this resistance as well, and I would also like to show you another very, very huge downtrend line resistance that it has found. You can see that we got almost 2 rejections here, then we got another rejection here, another rejection here, and recently the price line is again rejected. And in fact, this is the formation of a very, very huge descending triangle, and within this descending triangle we have these different patterns. And in today's video, we will also analyze this descending triangle as well. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for AMB that I shared a few days ago on 7th of May 2024 with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for AMB that I shared on 7th of May 2024 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that AMB formed with US dollar pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. And this was a complete trade setup. This was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very nice reversal from this buying zone. And read the sell targets on here. You can see it started a very nice reversal, and read the sell targets on here. And this was almost 10% pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of AMB. And this is the 7 days time frame chart. And here you can see that previously I've been showing you this down channel, and after the breakout we had a very nice pump, but the price got stuck inside in another falling wedge pattern, then broke it out, but got stuck inside in another falling wedge pattern. And recently, not recently, few months back here in the month of August 2023, we broke it out, and after that the price line again and again it is getting rejected by this long-term resistance of 1.5 cents. That is, by the way, quite long-term resistance, because previously it has been breaking as a very strong support here for several weeks. And now, after the breakdown, it is flipped into a strong resistance. We got rejection here, here, and here. At the same time, we have this very, very long-term resistance of another very, very massive descending triangle. And here we have the support of this triangle that is at $0.005, approximately at half cents. And this is the long-term downtrend line resistance. You can see we got rejection here, 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 and here as well. And now the movement is quite squeezed. Therefore, I'm expecting that soon it can break this pattern. However, if the price line will this time again test the support of the triangle, then can again drop down here at half cents. But at the same time, if we take a look at the stochastic oscillator, then you can see that it has once again entered the oversold zone. Previously, when it was entered the oversold zone, we received the bull cross. This blue line crossed up the orange line. That was the buying signal from the oversold zone. We had a nice rally, but got rejected by the resistance of this big descending triangle. And this time, previously in the month of May 2023, a year ago, when it was entered the oversold zone, and we received the bull cross, but then we had another nice short rally where the pricing got rejected by this 1.5 cents resistance. And before that, when we received this bull cross here from the oversold zone, then we broke out this wedge. And before that, when we received the bull cross from the oversold zone here, then we broke out the resistance of the channel. By the way, before that, we several times received the bull cross from the oversold zone, but every time when the price line was starting a reversal move to the upside, it was getting rejected by the resistance of the channel. Therefore, this time, after this bull cross, I'm expecting that it can try to break out this Ichimoku bearish cloud resistance and this big descending triangle as well. Now, if you take a look at the targets, then target for the breakout from this falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge at 3.5 cents. And the target for the breakout from this previous falling wedge pattern is here at approximately 4.8 cents. And the target for the channel breakout is here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at 7 cents. And now if we take a look at the technical target for this expected breakout from this big descending triangle, that expected target can be here. For example, if the price line breaks out, will break out from here, then the target can be between somewhere 26 cents to 30 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.